Today's article is called A Plan to Plant a Trillion Trees. I chose this article because yesterday was Earth Day, and so this tells us a little bit about how we can help the environment and how somebody else helped the environment too. Let's look at the vocabulary words. Climate change. Changes in Earth's climate over time. Deforestation. The act of clearing a forest or wide area of trees. Now let's read the article. Felix Finkbeiner is a 21-year-old from Germany. He has a plan to plant a trillion trees. Yes, a trillion. That's 1,000 billion. It all started in 2007. Finkbeiner was in 4th grade. He was writing a paper about climate change. Finkbeiner learned that planting trees helps slow climate change. That's because trees take in and store the gas carbon dioxide, or CO2. Too much CO2 in the air is one cause of climate change. So Finkbeiner started a group. It's called Plant for the Planet. Kids all over Germany joined. They planted 1 million trees in 3 years. That number kept growing. Children around the world started planting too. But there's more work to do. Finkbeiner learned that 10 billion trees are lost to deforestation each year. So now his group wants to plant 1 trillion trees. Now let's answer a couple of questions together. Okay, so let's take a look at whenever you log in through your apps. Let me just back out a little bit, sorry. When you log in through your apps, make sure that you choose reading, log in. And here I put 2 different articles. So I put one that's just for fun, that doesn't have any questions to it, but it's Earth Day turns 50. April 22nd is Earth Day. It's celebrated every year. This year is the 50th celebration. So you can see how others are making a difference and how you can too, because it goes with the article that we read today. Okay. A plan to plant 1 trillion trees. A 4th grader's idea grew into a plan to plant 1 trillion trees. People around the world are helping him. So let's view the lesson. Go to the article, make sure you reread that on your own. Now we're going to go to the activity. Select the letter of the correct answer. So we've got the main idea of the article and 2 supporting facts. Okay? Remember that the supporting facts can't be something random. Okay? It has to support the main idea. It has to hold up the main idea. It has to go together. Okay? So think about the article, which best fits in the empty box above. Trees take in and store the gas carbon dioxide. 10 billion trees are lost to deforestation each year. One cause of climate change is that there is too much CO2 in the air. Felix Finkbeiner wants to plant trees to help slow climate change. Kids all over Germany joined Plant for the Planet. In 4th grade, Felix Finkbeiner wrote a paper on climate change. Okay, so let's think about this. We know that it's not the letter C, kids all over Germany joined Plant for the Planet, because then the 2 supporting facts would have to tell us more about the organization Plant for the Planet, or maybe how the kids in Germany joined. Because if we're just looking at Plant for the Planet, we don't really know what that is even about, okay? So trees take in and store gas carbon dioxide. That is true. But would 10 billion trees lost to deforestation have anything to do with trees taking in and storing the gas carbon dioxide? Okay, so now we're left with B and D. Felix Finkbeiner wants to plant trees to help slow climate change. 10 billion trees are lost to deforestation each year. One cause of climate change is that there is too much CO2 in the air. Okay, so Felix Finkbeiner wanting to plant trees to help slow it would be a good fit for Main Idea because he's trying to slow climate change. And one of the reasons of climate change is that trees are lost to deforestation. And also there's too much CO2 in the air. Okay. In 4th grade, Felix Finkbeiner wrote a paper on climate change because 10 billion trees are lost to deforestation each year. And one cause of climate change is that there's too much CO2 in the air. So we're really between B and D, but the answer is B because it's telling us, if we look back in the article, yes, he did write a paper on climate change. So while he was writing his paper, these are the facts that he learned as he was writing the paper. But the main idea of the article that we read is that Felix Finkbeiner wants to plant trees to help slow climate change. And then it explains to us what some of the causes of climate change are and why he wants to plant trees to help slow that down. So let's choose B, submit. Very nice. One more question. Which two words have almost the same meaning? So when we're talking about words that have the same meaning, we are looking for the synonyms, right? We're not looking for the opposites. We're looking at two words that are interchangeable. So let's look. Kept and lost. Those are opposites. Grow and cut. Those are definitely opposites. Think about your hair. You either grow it out or you cut it. It's not the same thing. Plant and burn. Nope, that's also not, those are not synonymous. Start and begin. Yes, those are definitely synonyms. You can start a project or you can begin a project, right? All right, so remember that so I'm not going to answer this one for you, but I just want you to remember that while you're reading the article, you can refer to the article and read back on it, okay? And there's even a little video that you can watch. You can refer back to the article. It's not cheating. It's helping you. It's preparing you. So please, please, please remember that you have that option. You are not alone. Refer back to the article as many times as you need. Okay. Then make sure that you complete the after reading poll. You don't have to explain the way why you voted the way you did, but go ahead and fill out, choose if you agree or disagree with the statement. And then I definitely need you to fill out the thought question. So here it says, describe Felix Finkbeiner and his plan to help slow climate change. Should more people plant trees? Why or why not? Use facts and details from the article in your answer. So I would go ahead and start writing my paragraph by answering the questions that it's asking and then elaborate from there. So we can say Felix Finkbeiner, we read, is a 21-year-old from Germany who has a plan to plant 1 trillion trees. Okay. He got this idea when he was in 4th grade and was writing a paper on climate change. And then from there, you would explain climate change. You would explain what climate change is, right? And then should people plant more trees? I think people should plant more trees because, and then answer that. Okay, so that's how you need to be writing your paper. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So remember that once you're finished, you go back and you read the article that I put for fun about Earth Day. And if you have any questions, please reach out.